what most guys, when they're doing jobs, they'll use either this size or maybe one a little bit smaller than this. And then these smaller ones we use for doing samples, things like that, when you have to work out of a smaller container. So we'll be probably using mostly these smaller ones today. That's why I have a bunch of those for everybody to use. And then with the actual hand trowels, there are a few different shapes and sizes. There's these larger ones, which are generally used for base coating. They can spread the material a little bit better, more evenly. But once you get into the later coats where you're applying more pressure, you need an actual concentrated surface so you're not wasting energy. So it's not about the size of the guy so much as it is the right size for the job that you're doing. In general, that's what those are for. And then when you're doing the finish coating, your final coats, or you're actually putting in texture, you're going to use these smaller sizes here, which they're all about the same size, about 9.5 inches. And that's kind of like for a beginner, if you had to get one tool, that's the one to get. And then even these come in different shapes. This is more of a traditional shape, and it's got two sides. But even though it has two sides, for doing decorative plastering, most of the techniques we use, you want to stick to one side of the trowel. So your shape, which is meant to be used just the one blade, cuts a little bit of weight off the trowel, so at the end of the day, you don't have as much fatigue, and they show up as little gray marks. If you ever used